Hi, my name is Mary Kalind and welcome to your 7 minutes, 7 days chair yoga journey. Today is day 4 and it's called Just Flow. So yes, we're just gonna connect our breath with our movement and just flow in our chair. And if you'd like to see more videos in the future, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Meet me on your chair, please. Get comfortable. And right away, if you'd like to, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze. And then just check in with your body from head to toe. Give yourself a little scan. And see what still feels a little tense and uneasy. Now use the power of your breath to find some release. So take a deep, rich breath in. And when you exhale, target these areas and let them soften. One more time. Deep, full breath in. And soft exhale out of your mouth. Come back to your normal breath. And just notice. Take 2 more rounds on your own, whatever you need in this moment. Flutter your eyes open. Right away, we're going into a half sun A. So inhale, mountain pose. Extend your arms up over your head. Stay here and breathe. Shrug your shoulders down. Spiral your biceps in, your triceps forward. Pull your belly button in and up, widen your collarbones, and use your feet hip width distance underneath your knees to press down into the earth. So inhale, reach up even higher. Exhale, fold forward. Drape your torso over your legs, melt down, release. Let everything become heavy. Maybe you want to shake your head here. Loosening up your neck muscles. Embracing traction in your neck and spine. In a halfway lift, so now either you can press down with your hands into the earth or you use the legs of your chair to extend your heart forward. Roll your shoulders away from your ears. Lead with your heart. Take 1 more breath in. Exhale, fold. Nice. Let's connect our breath with our movement. Inhale, mountain. Reach up into the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Pull your navel in when you come down. Very important. Inhale, halfway lift. Extend your heart out. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up, back into the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. You stay where you are, please. I'm gonna shift over so I have a little bit more room. Right away, we're going into the sun B. Inhale, send your arms up into the sky. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. So reach your right arm back, your left arm forward, and twist from your core. So firm core, open heart, soften your shoulders. Inhale, sweep up your arms for mountain. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Extend your left arm back, reach your right arm forward. Melt your shoulders down. Inhale, mountain, lift up your arms. Exhale, back bend with goalpost arms. So widen your chest, spread your fingers wide like starfish. Lift up into the heart, into the sky with your heart, and then scoop your shoulders under. Still have a firm core. Push your bones forward. Inhale, reach up into the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. You stay where you are, please. I'm coming back forward. Now, inhale. Again, send your arms up over your head. Now grab for your left wrist and bend over to your right side. I just had to think for a moment. This is my wrist. Soften your shoulders down. Press down through both of your hip bones equally. Inhale, come up, switch your grip. Exhale, stretch over to your left side. Melt your shoulders down. Press down through your hip bones equally. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, hands to your heart. Now, we're getting into Warrior Two on our chair. And I have to cheat a little because I'm a little taller. So I'm using 2 books. Place them right here. Give it a try. If it doesn't feel comfortable, you can always skip this pose, of course. So rest my leg right on top of my chair. Extend my left leg back. Press down through your left heel. Bring your left tippy toe slightly forward. Now, bring your hands onto your hips and shift a little more to the side of your space. Pull your navel in. Reach your right arm forward, your left arm back. Soften your shoulders. Gaze over your front middle finger. Feel this Warrior Two. Power yourself up. Energize yourself. Take a deep breath in. Stay for your exhale and feel. Nice. Hands back to your hips. And now switch. Shift over your books if you're using books. Place your left leg on top. And press down, sorry peanut, through your back heel. Your right toes are slightly forward. Hands to your hips. And then shift your torso over to your right side a little more. Now your heels are really rooting down. When you're ready, reach your left arm forward, your right arm back. Gaze over your front middle finger. Power up your core muscles, your legs, your arms. Take one more inhale. Stay for your exhale. Great. Hands back down and find your seat again. That was a fun little flow in our chair. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Namaste.